Hey everybody, we're going to do 3 videos for this review real quick, or 3 problems rather. Let me read the first one. It takes Gabby 18 minutes to finish reading 4 pages of a book. How long does it take her to finish reading 30 pages? Well, if you'll notice, there is nothing in that problem that has a percent sign. So that means this is going to be unit times unit, or unit over unit. Well, we're talking about minutes, so I'm going to put an M there. And we're talking about pages of a book, so I'm going to put a P here. So it said it took 18 minutes to read 4 pages. And over here it says, how long does it take to read 30 pages? Well, 30 goes on the bottom. So that means the how long is our X, and it goes up here on top. So we're going to go ahead and put this in our calculator. You always multiply the 2 numbers that are diagonal from each other and then divide by the number that's diagonal from X. So I'm going to do 18 times 30, then immediately divide by what's diagonal from the X, the 4. That means she would read 135 minutes to read 30 pages. Okay? So that's how you set that up. Unit over unit, and then you cross multiply. So let's look at the next one. John runs around a circular track twice. He takes 126 seconds the first time and 198 seconds the second time. What is the percent increase in the time taken? So when we see those words, percent increase, percent decrease, percent change, those mean we've got to use this formula. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that in our calculator so everybody can see it. Big number minus small number divided by the original equals X divided by 100. So let's go to our next line and let's plug in the numbers. The biggest number was the 198. The smallest number was the 126. Now, the original number is what comes first. Well, the first time was 126. Okay? Then again, I'm going to put equals X divided by 100. Then I'm going to do my math in the next line. I'm going to cross multiply here. I'm going to multiply the numbers that are diagonal from each other, then divide by the number diagonal from the X. I always use my parentheses, 198 minus 126, close parentheses, divided by 126, and then I am going to multiply times 100. Nope, I did that wrong. Nope, I did that right. Got it. Let's see what we get. Yes, we get 57% increase in the time it took him to go around that track. So let's look at Decimus one more time. Big minus small over original equals X over 100. We plugged in our numbers, big minus small, and then divided by what came first. Then we know that we had to just put in this part and multiply by 100 to get our answer. Okay? So just remember this process and you will get it every single time. We've got one more. All right. Nina deposited $1,500 into a savings account and she earns 2.5% simple interest. How much money will she have in her account after 4 years? Well, let's start by putting in the percentage, 2.5% of the money. Then, if it gives us years, we have to multiply by how many years. That is the amount of interest. But it's asking how much she will have in her account. So that's like asking what her total will be. So we'll start with the $1,500 and we are going to add the interest. I'm going to click on my answer button. So that means after 4 years, if she doesn't touch it, she's going to have $1,650 and she's going to take me and Miss Benson on a quick vacation. All right, that's everything. Love you guys. You can do this.